Have you been to Mystic Mountain? Well, straight on the bobsled, my God. I didn't even itch this time. As soon as I got there, I start explore every ride. And then I went to see, you can't say Ocho from up here. Straight to the Ragamuffin. Ragamuffin ride was awesome. A beer swinging a go on. Left, right, left, right. The view is amazing though. Honestly, the view is amazing. I actually did that multiple times. And then to the Anansi web. We made sure we did every single ride, I tell you. The kids were racing to get to the top. I actually motivated him to get to the top because he was trying to quit. And you know, I'm not family with no quitters, right? And then I just showed them how it was done, right? As Anansi. About some moves and stuff. You know, the selector was like, give them some free entertainment. I'm like, fine. I just did a little cameraman again at them, because all of us skilled. And the floor was hot, but I had to show some of my skills. Not too much, just a little bit. And the kids were enjoying that pool and that slide. And then straight to the zip line we went to end off the journey. Zipping through the woods. I felt like Diego. It was a really wonderful experience. Got some food and home we went.